We have a tragedy in California, August 6th. Around 6 p.m., they were fighting a brush fire and there was a midair collision. There was a mayday called, and here's what we have. Hard to say what's going on scene. It looks like there's car fires involved, but a helicopter did go down. It was a Bell 407 in contact with a sky crane. Three on board. They did not survive. There's some rotor blades there. So fighting a brush fire, now you have to respond to an aircraft crash, multiple crashes. There again is another scene. They got the fire out there. A lot of dry brush we're dealing with. It is the summer in California and in Hawaii where I work. We've been dealing with brush fires as well. So just gotta stay safe. The birds we use here, they don't fly after a certain time as it gets darker. I don't know how it is in California. At what point do the helicopters call it a day? But it was 6 p.m. here when this happened. But you can see the firefighters are upwind from it. And it's kind of a big area where that helicopter went down. So tragic for everyone there. Here on the home front where I work, we have brush fires here. This was a few days ago. We used our trucks. We have 1,500 gallons of water in our vehicles, so we were using those turrets to put out a lot of this brush. You can see how close it got to the airport fence. There's our airport right there. So that's the departure end of runway 2. And if it continued going down in this area, you can see there is trees and our fire station is just along there. So there's the vortac there. And this is kind of where it started. And the wind was about 25 knots that day. So it was bringing it around pretty fast. Here is kind of the area. So our fire station is down here. And it happened right, there's the vortac there. And right in this area. Very dry area as you can see, and with the wind it definitely carried that fire about, I don't know, 5 or 6 acres. There was multiple sections that caught fire, so we're thinking maybe it was some kind of pyro activity. We've been dealing with people starting fires, which is not cool, but it happens every summer. But all in all, nobody was injured on this. But again, prayers to the people in California. Let's all stay safe out here as we're fighting these brush fires and this dry season. This is Arfred. I'm Keone. I'll see you guys next time.